Hello and welcome to the topic branches of literature. Briefly, we will discuss about prose, poetry, drama. The literature has mainly three branches. They are prose, poetry, and drama. Prose. Prose is derived from a Latin root word prosa that means straightforward. Prose is generally defined as direct common language presented in a straightforward manner. Prose is normally presented in the form of novels, novellas, or short stories. This type of literature is characterized by ordinary syntax contained in complete sentences. Poetry. Poetry from the Greek poetis, which means doer or creator. It is a term that is applied to any form of rhythmical or metrical composition. Poetry is characterized by a greater focus on language and rhythm. It is often far more abstract than prose and has more emphasis on the aesthetic qualities of the language. Drama. Drama is simply a work that is written to be performed on a stage by actors. From the Greek dran, meaning to do, drama is thought to have developed from ancient religious ceremonies. Due to its performance-based nature, drama is more reliant on dialogue. It's considered a more collaborative art form because a play must be interpreted by a director, performed by actors, and viewed by an audience. The term play has come to mean drama, written exclusively for performance, while the loftier term drama is commonly reserved for works that are more serious works. Thank you and goodbye.